is Toto, the first AMG GTR with the Carbonerre kit. And this is the story and build of Toto. We purchased the car on Bring a Trailer. The day the car was delivered was amazing. You know it's a good day when a big long trailer shows up at your house. Are you excited?
Yeah, at first I didn't really like the AMGs, but like it's kind of grown on me because I like wide cars. I like supercars, I like hypercars, I like fast cars. I just got good hopes about that.
About the AMG?
Yep.
Like it. Yeah. The tires to go directly on these race ramps. Oh. Okay. Yep. Okay. Yep. Yep. Splitter.
Good.
Yeah,
The splitter. The bottom.
Oh, that looks so good.
Woo. Nice. Good job.
Nice. Does it have a V8?
Okay, first drive in the AMG GTR. Start here.
Yeah, push the brake.
Sounds good. I like the sound. It sounds good. Engine's in the back.
No, it's that giant thing in front of you.
Oh. Engine's in the front. I like the steering wheel. It's like, it's very thick and grippy. Is it suede? I think it's suede. Alcantara.
Yeah, it's just like a race car.
I mean, it's pretty roomy in here.
Yep.
Does it really go 220?
No.
Is it a V8? V12?
Yep. V8.
V8.
Twin turbo V8.
Twin turbo.
Yep.
Nice. Dude, I love it. It's very, like solid. Is that, do you call it solid?
Yeah.
Sturdy? I don't know. Like it feels like it's put together very well.
It's a Mercedes.
Not rattly. It doesn't even shake when it goes fast. Very nice. That wasn't 100, and it felt like nothing. All right, should we do a sharp turn? Should we see if Jeff can handle my sharp turns? Just kidding. Little did I know that Jeff purchased the AMG to put a Carbonerre kit on. So after the car is off the trailer and we take it for a drive, we're home and sitting there and Jeff tells me to go check out this guy's Instagram. It's Lucas Pajak. Lucas, I am so sorry. I know I'm pronouncing that wrong. You guys go check it out though. It's Carbonerre and the link is in the description below. Lucas creates art. The builds he does are incredible. So we decide we need to get a Carbonerre kit for the AMG. So Jeff reached out to Lucas and Lucas hadn't built a kit for a GTR yet. So they coordinated, worked things out, and we got the kit ordered. Lucas lives in Poland. A week later, the war in Ukraine and Russia broke out, so it took us a year to get the kit. When the kit showed up, it's in this huge box, and it was so much fun to just open the box. It was like Christmas. This thing is full of just pieces just wrapped, and it was so fun to just go through each piece and unwrap them and see where they go on the car. We decided to take the car to Life Motorsports and have Mark and Cole install the kit for us. I was able to document each step of the build, and it is incredible what goes into installing a kit. You have this super expensive car, right? And you need to cut the car to get the kit on. So your measurements have to be exactly right. Now, Europeans and Americans, we use different types of measurements. So there had to be a ton of communication between Life Motorsports and Carbonerre. You have to paint the kit to match the car. Mark got it exact. I mean, he is a paint wizard. Everything matches perfectly. So we pick up the car, we get the car back to the shop, we notice the wheels, and you know, they don't exactly go with the car now. So we called Dan at Vivid Racing. He sent us some VR forged wheels. The wheels just made the car look that much better. We did not do a tune on the car, but we did do titanium exhaust. Now, I feel like the car sounded perfect without it, but listen to it with the titanium exhaust. It sounds so good. So the car drove perfect before the kit, and I was a little bit nervous because sometimes when you add stuff to a car it can be rattly or loose, but the kit made the car drive so much better. It's more planted, it's more stable, the cornering, the handling is so much more responsive. It is so much fun to drive. It is fast. What do you guys think of the Carbonerre kit? Would you guys cut a GTR? You guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.